Hello viewers, let's see. We have a question on combination, which is episode 14. A class consists of 14 boys and 6 girls. 3 boys and 2 girls are to be chosen to serve on a committee. So we have to find a number of ways of selecting the committee if it must include one particular boy. So remember the choosing of boys from a group of boys and a particular girl from a group of girls. We are using the word and, which shows multiplication. Now, if one particular boy is going to be part of the committee at all costs, it means that the position for one boy is occupied. We are only left with what? Position for what? 2 boys. We just need 2 boys to be selected from the 12, the 14. But in this case, 14 minus 1 will give us 13. So first thing first, we need to know the number of boys, which in this case, it has been given as what? 14. Then number of girls has also been given to us as what? 6. Now we need to know the selection of boys. So if one particular boy must be part of the committee, this means that then we have to select how many? 2 boys from the 13, let me just say remaining 13 boys, and still we have to select what? 2 girls from the 6 boys and 2 girls from the 6 girls. So that means, therefore, our number of ways, let me just say number of ways of doing that selection. Let's say the boys, how many are they? They are 13. We are only going to pick what? 2. But we can also say that that position that is occupied by that one person is 1 selecting what? 1. So I can say 1 combination 1, which is representing that particular boy which is always part or which must be part of the committee. Then times 13 of the boys, then we need to select what? 2 times, we are going to select 2 from what? 6. This is representing the number of the boy, which is that one particular boy which is having his slot in the committee. Then this is 13 boys. We are selecting only 2, making it 3 that we are asked to select to be in that committee. Then there are 6 girls. We are picking only 2 out of that. So this represents 1 times, in the case of this, I can have 13 times 12 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, times 6 times 5 divided by 2 times 1, which are all in terms of 4 factorial. I mean the denominators. Now this can go here, 6 times 13, that will be 78. So 1 times 78 times 2 go here, 3, right? 2 cannot go, so 2 will go here, 3. 3 times 5 will be 15. So we need to multiply 15 by 78, and 15 by 78 will give us 1170. So these are the number of ways. Don't forget the 1. When multiply, we say remain what? The value we are quoting here. So 1170 ways is where we can be able to make the committee, where it must consist of what? 3 boys and 2 girls, when we are picking from 14 boys and what? 6 girls. The concept of this, if ignored, your answer will still be the same. I believe the concept is clear. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the video, click on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime any of these videos are uploaded. We are on episode 14. It means that you have watched the episode 1 up to where we are. If you have not, check the playlist and preview yourself with those content. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.